In this detailed video, we're going to see specifically how the Show Products button works inside the pop-up with the official Shopify store integration. Remember that with this integration, we can display entire collections, manually selected products that we choose individually, or we can use the fully automated recommendation system to suit your specific needs, okay? And here we have all the options of the automatic system for product selection. How does the integration with Shopify work? Very simple. If we go to integrations and edit Shopify, here we can see all the products that we have synced with the store. That synchronization happens automatically. We don't have to do anything. During the entire synchronization process, we can also directly retrieve and organize the products from the collections, which allows us to easily load a specific collection within the products that are shown in the pop-ups. And the most interesting part is that we can use Shopify's powerful recommendation engine, which is free of charge and seamlessly integrates directly with your store to display recently viewed products similar to the current one, or even relevant product add-ons right within the pop-up. This is very interesting. Through this specific module I'm mentioning right now, which is Shopify Search and Discovery app, and keep in mind it is completely free to use, you can easily obtain or relate various products together. This means that when I'm viewing a specific product A, I can also see products C, D, and F, which are all directly related to that initial product A. For a practical example, if I'm displaying a beautiful necklace, I could also show the matching bracelet, and I could show the earrings as well. In other words, the entire complementary set of products. And let's just say the actual relationship between those different products is very, very easy and straightforward for anyone to set up quickly. We can also see specific products that we've already added to the shopping cart, as well as products we've viewed but haven't added yet, so that we can effectively trigger relevant pop-ups as the user navigates through certain sections of the site. Furthermore, we can anticipate trending products, which are essentially the most frequently viewed products in our entire store. Or we could also look at what's brand new, which simply comes sorted by the original publication date. What's interesting about all this? That everything is done completely automatically through the smart pop-up system and seamless synchronization with Shopify. Well, that's it for today. I truly hope you like this product recommender using dynamic pop-ups with full Shopify integration and with other third-party stores.